Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Crunchyroll cannot create accounts. And let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is remove any special characters. So if you use Gmail, the sign-off form might reject characters like period or hyphens. Try using a plain or lowercase version of your email. Also, use a plus alias. So add a plus sign and a random word before the @ symbol. Example, like mymail plus cr123@gmail.com. This tricks the system into seeing it as a unique address. You may also already have linked a profile due to legacy merger, like Funimation or VIV. Simply try the forgot password option with your email address before creating a new account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.